Hey, what's going on, guys? What's happening, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into Rules for Rebels. Today's video, I'm going to try to keep it pretty short and sweet. Really, I just wanted to show you guys an e-commerce website I stumbled across recently. And, in a time when everybody's selling the same old tired AliExpress products, everybody's knee-jerk reaction when they think I want to start an e-commerce business is, oh, I have to go to AliExpress or I have to go to China. These guys are doing something really, really unique, something really different. And every once in a while, I see an idea where just like right off the bat, I just know it's going to be a huge success. And basically, what these guys are doing, they're making products, handcrafted products, out of used fire hoses. And we're going to take a look over the site here. They sell coasters, little card holders, and things like that. When I think back, I think I recall seeing a Shark Tank episode where some women were making handbags out of used fire hoses, and it was really unique. It took off. I'm pretty sure they got a deal with the sharks. But this is something that's going to appeal to people, to customers specifically, for a number of reasons. Like, one, it's American. You got the American flag. Everyone likes to support firefighters. It's handcrafted. People like handcrafted things and things that have craftsmanship and effort put into them. And also, it's unique. It's something different. It's not something that you're going to see on eBay or Amazon or see at your local corner store. So, what the site is called, it's called Brotherhood Product Shop. And the Brotherhood Products story. It all began when we saw countless amounts of fire hoses that was either damaged or out of date being thrown away. I wanted to find a use for a hose, to repurpose it, to give it another life as a useful item. This is where Brotherhood Products was born. We take used fire hoses that we receive from fire departments and find new uses for it. Through trial and error and fine-tuning, we had developed an ever-changing line of products that people can use. We stand by our products, where that if any of our products has an issue, we'll replace the item with a new product at no cost. Our products are available based on the hose we have available to us. Some items are limited edition based on the color, size, and style of hose we have available. Thank you for supporting our business, Brotherhood. So let's take a look at some of their products here. So here's kind of a sign. Wooden signs are really popular on like Pinterest and Instagram and things like that. They're basically just stretching fire hose over it and probably doing some type of screen printing or vinyl graphic on there. I thought this was actually really, really cool. Basically koozies. Let's see, skull cooler can with Maltese. Okay, so basically these are the same product, just different logo. Let's see, this can is designed to fit, or this can holder is designed to fit a 12-ounce can, is made from recycled fire hose. These products have so much going for it. It's kind of got the whole reduce, reuse, recycle thing. It's repurposed. It's unique. There's some wear to it. It's not something shiny and new. People love to support firemen. It's American. All these things going for it. They got koozies for bottles. Kind of a different style of koozie. I thought this was pretty cool. A card holder. Rubber lined, easy to fit up to 10 cards. So that's kind of smart. They lined it with rubber so that the cards don't slide out of there as easy. Thought that was kind of a unique product. Here are rubber coasters made out of fire hoses. I'm guessing this is like the inner lining of a fire hose. More signs. Let's see, I think they have one more page of products here. So yeah, it looks like kind of their primary products are really signs, card holders, and koozies. But I'm sure these guys are getting this used equipment from fire departments for free. So their material cost is pretty much nothing. I think the only cost is probably going to be maybe buying some rivets and as we saw on their homepage, maybe some tools. I'm guessing kind of like jewelry making or leather making tools to kind of craft this stuff, but very, very low startup costs. I definitely think this could qualify for like $100 startup. For anybody who's crafty, anybody who's creative, anybody who's good with their hands. I don't want to say copy these guys' idea and do something similar, but what are some other kind of unique items that could be repurposed? I know the feed company repurposes and makes bags out of like old farm burlap sacks and things like that. I know there's some companies who sell, I think out of like Thailand and the Philippines, they sell backpacks made out of like old coffee burlap bags and things like that. But yeah, this just struck me as like a really awesome idea, really awesome company, really awesome products. This is something that would be very, very cool to market with content marketing. I'm sure you could get fire departments across the country involved in kind of promoting this stuff. You could give back a portion of your profits to, organizations that support firefighters and their families. Just so many things going for this really, really kind of unique product. In addition to a Shopify store, I imagine something like this would do really, really well on Etsy. But really, more than anything, like, I'm going to start doing this more when I stumble upon like a really cool, really unique product. I want to share it with you guys. And I want to get everybody away from thinking like, oh, I need $1,500 or $2,000 to be able to order, backpacks or camping hammocks or whatever else from Alibaba. A lot of times, there's supplies, there's ideas, there's materials, there's things you can craft with your own hands that are way cooler than anything you could get from Alibaba, and also are businesses that you could start up with $50, $100, maybe even nothing. So brotherhoodproductshop.com. I may see if I can get these guys on the channel to do an interview, talk a little bit about the business. But more than anything, just kind of wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully maybe get some ideas bouncing around in your guys' heads, maybe inspire an idea of your own. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. And until next time, guys, Rules for Rebels, signing out.